Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Razer Aether Lamp first generation and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this lamp not connecting to your device or to Wi-Fi, or if it's not syncing or pairing with the app, or if it seems to be not responding, anything where it's not working right, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is before you pair this with a new device, you're going to want to do this, and any reason where you just want to wipe everything off it so you can set it up new on something new, we can go ahead and do this. It's really easy to do. All we need to do, the first thing to do is to just unplug it. Or turn off the power to it if there's a switch, whatever. Just make sure there's no power to the lamp. Once there's no power to the lamp, we're just going to come in on the top. There's a multi-function button on the top. We're just going to press and hold it. And while we're holding that button, we're just going to go ahead and plug the lamp back in. And just keep holding this. And once you plug it back in, just keep holding this for 4 more seconds. And then once the reset starts, then it will cycle through the lights. It will go red, green, blue, and then turn white. That's telling you the reset's done. You can release the button, and then you can go ahead and set this lamp up again like a brand new lamp.